¿Dónde está los otros? Where are the others? You know any Spanish? Okay. Yes. Any threats? Death threats? Oh yeah, that was a daily occurrence. They threatened to kill us all the time. It became so old hat I didn't pay attention. I'm going to kill you. Yeah, right. But you know, you had to maintain a certain kind of psychological balance in that situation. I mean, really crazy. I used to have a rating scale for the insults. You know, kids would throw insults at us. They call us all kinds of names that you might well imagine. But I didn't get insulted by it. In fact, I was sort of curious about how creative they could be. So I had a rating scale of 1 to 10. 1 being not too creative, 10 ooh, off the chart. Nobody ever scored above 2 the whole year. They weren't very creative. In fact, I almost told a kid one day, hey, you know, that was the same kind of nigger you called me yesterday. You're creative urge. Can't you come up with something else? And that way helped me to maintain a balance. And I felt that I was in charge, you see. And by the way, it's important to know that what other people think about you is none of your business. Right? You got that? What other people think about you, young lady, is not your business. Now, this guy right here, he's got thoughts about you, but hey, those are his. Those are his thoughts. So you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it. And if you really believe that, that frees up a lot of energy. See, a lot of kids worry about what other kids are thinking about them. They're not thinking about you. They're thinking about themselves. And another thing, this I just remembered, because I was in high school, again, where kids were fighting. And a lot of the fighting had to do with name calling. You ever heard anything so crazy as that? People fighting because of name calling? What if I called you a name that wasn't your name? What would you do? Huh? What would you do? Let's say I called you stupid. What would you do? Well, you should know. She said she didn't know what she would do. But you see, if she knows her name, she knows exactly what to do. Ignore me. If stupid is not her name, then she has nothing to do with it. Let's say you're walking across campus here at Nightingale. Somebody yells out, hey, stupid! All right. Now, what have I done? I just signed a social contract that stupid applies to me. Okay? That's my choice. However, if I know my name is Terry Roberts. Somebody yells out, hey, stupid. Hey, that's not Terry Roberts. Ah. Oh, yeah. Know your name. See, knowing your name, a lot of people I found out don't know their own names. They respond to anything. You yell out something, hey, you're going to say that about me? Was I talking about you? Well, maybe. Yeah, but if it's your name, yes, then you talk. You have a dialogue. You have a human-to-human exchange. But if somebody yells out something that has nothing to do with you, you get on about your business. You're probably headed to the library anyway. You're late. You got books to read. What are you thinking about? You don't have time for that nonsense. Is that true? Now, one thing I've been looking at you guys, looking carefully at your faces. I've been looking for signs of brain damage. Okay? See, it's true. As a trained psychologist, I can pick up signs of brain damage. But so far, I've not seen anything to indicate that any of you have brain damage. That's good. What that tells me is that all of your brains are healthy, intact, and functional. And if you have a healthy, intact, functional brain, it is capable of earning A's. It follows. Yes. Like a mathematical equation. Now, some of you have taken your healthy, functional, intact brains and used them in the service of earning grades other than A. Why that is, I have no idea. I have no idea. I also know that it's by choice. See, if you earn a B, a C, a D, an F, that's by choice. You have the capability of earning A's. So why not? Again, rhetorically, you don't have to answer, but think about it. Think about it. If you've got that kind of brain, that is a resource that is not available worldwide. You've got kids in third world countries whose brains are not healthy because they have poor nutrition. They're not functional and intact because of their lifestyle. But you have brains that work. Why not use those brains? Think about it. That's what we knew back in 1957 in Little Rock. We knew we had intact brains, and we used them. We created habitual ways of using our brains. And habit is also important. Habit is a very strong motivator. Some of you have habits like biting your nails, okay? And I know that one well because I used to have it too. I used to be an inveterate nail biter. I went cold turkey, however, when my wife saw me one day, she said, "That is not very professional." Oh, okay. So I gave it up. But habit can be used in the service of learning. If you decide that you want to become expert, let's say, math, okay? You want to be an expert in math? Yes. Okay, good. Now, all you have to do is use habit. So pledge to study math every day at the same time. Say 1 o'clock or whatever, okay? Choose a time. Your brain, your body will gear itself at 12:45 in preparation for a 1 o'clock study session. It's true. Now, you've seen the power of habit. You've seen it, say, in cigarette smoking behavior. Not that you do it, of course, because you wouldn't do anything so stupid as that. But you've seen other people smoke cigarettes. And why do they continue? Habit. Simple habit. The true cigarette smoker never has to think about it. It just happens. Because they've started it. And the body takes over. The body says, if you're going to study math at 1 o'clock every day, then I'm going to be ready for that. Just like the cigarette smoker's body says, if you're going to smoke, I'm going to be ready to tell you when. It's just the same energy, but used for better results.